Welcome back to my Halloween series. Today we're making the perfect centerpiece for your Halloween spread, a bloody brain cake. Spray an 8-inch stainless steel bowl with nonstick spray, then cut strips of parchment paper to line the bowl. Pour in prepared red velvet cake mix. You can use boxed or homemade. Place on a sheet pan and bake in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 1 hour. Beat together 8 ounces each of room temperature salted butter and cream cheese until light and fluffy, then add 4 cups of powdered sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix and set aside. Once your cake has cooled, remove from bowl and peel off the parchment. Trim off a little from the right and left side, then make a line down the middle. Next, add your frosting and spread on, coating the entire cake. This will be your crumb coat. Chill in the fridge for 30 minutes. Next, add your second layer of frosting and make sure to keep the distinct line down the middle. Return to fridge. Meanwhile, add in 1 drop of red food coloring to 2 pounds of vanilla fondant. Knead until the color is fully incorporated. Roll into logs, then strategically place on your cake, making squiggly lines while keeping the brain half separate. For the bloody look, brush on red seedless raspberry jam. Chill until ready to serve. Enjoy!